Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Boston floor plan. This is part of the patio line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Boston here is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage home, giving you over 2,200 square foot. Let's take a look here. Directly to the right of the entry, that's where your stairwell is, going up to the bedroom spaces. But we're going to start down here on the first level. Right here, you have the half bath with the singular sink and the commode. Then this opens up into a nice great room space here with your kitchen overlooking your living room. Nice open kitchen. And then you've got a dedicated spot right over here where you might want to put your dining room table. Then off the kitchen is your entry into the garage, as well as your laundry room here with the full-size washer and dryer. It's a really nice open space here in the Boston. Now heading upstairs, that's where we're going to find all of the bedrooms, but also at the top of the stairwell here, you have a nice loft area as we get to the top here, which you can utilize as a additional seating area, maybe an office room. But nice space here for some additional living coverage. And then we've got the guest bedrooms back here. So again, it's a 5-bedroom home. Guest bedroom 1 here has a nice walk-in closet. Guest bedroom 2 here has more of the traditional bifold style closet. Then you've got the guest bath here with the dual sinks and then the combination tub and shower. You've got the 3rd guest bedroom here with the bifold closets. Bedroom number 4. And then last but not least, we have the master bedroom here and master bath. So here you have the separated water closet. You've got your standalone shower. Got a nice walk-in style closet here. And then you've got the dual sinks as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.